in order to make aware the university community regarding resources and services offered by the Government of India under the Digital India portal and by the university and to digitally literate the university community for healthy and purposeful use of ICT-based services, resources and devices. University organized a 7 days program under the Digital India Week for the students, faculty members, officials and staff of the university from 7th September to 14th September 2015. The inaugural function of the Digital India Weeks has been held in the multi-purpose hall, Atisha Hall of the university on 7th September 2015 at 12 to 1 o'clock p.m. All the students, faculty members, officials and staff were present during the inauguration of the program. The inaugural function was presided by Honorable Vice-Chancellor Professor L. N. Shastri of the university. After lighting the lamp to inaugurate the program, Honorable Vice-Chancellor inaugurated the Digital Library of Multimedia Resources created by the Multimedia section of the Shantarakshita Library. Honorable Vice-Chancellor Professor L. N. Shastri and respected Registrar of the University Dr. G.R. Singh also released the digital and printed versions of the title catalogue of rare Buddhist Sanskrit manuscripts in microform collection, compiled by Multimedia section of Shantarakshita Library of the University. The inaugural program was convened by Library in Charge, Dr. Pen Padorji. Welcome address delivered by Documentation Officer and Nodal Officer for Digital India Week Mr. R.K. Mishra. Respected Registrar Dr. G.R. Singh presented the keynote address and Technical Officer Dr. J.K. Singh proposed the vote of thanks. In his presidential address, Honorable Vice-Chancellor Professor L. N. Shastri highlighted the need of healthy and purposeful use of ICT devices and services. He also alarms the university community regarding excessive generation of electronic waste worldwide and suggested the eco-friendly use of the technology for betterment of ourselves, our society and nation. Presenting the keynote address, respected Registrar of the University Dr. D.O. Raj Singh stressed on the need of digitization and suggested carefully digitize the resources keeping in mind the need, copyright laws, and he also opined to avoid the duplicate efforts. Technical sessions of the program, 7th to 14th September 2015, have been held at Seminar Hall of AP Guest House from 2:30 to 4:30. The program was attended by 405 participants, which is approximately 85% of the university community. Detail of the attendance is as on the screen. Mr. R.K. Mishra, Documentation Officer and Nodal Officer for Digital India Week, presented, demonstrated and discussed the digital or information literacy issues, which includes search strategies, digital wellness issues and precautions to be taken to avoid personal, social and national loss while using ICT-based services. It includes concept of SAR/IMEI numbers, hoaxes and malwares, precautions should be taken to keep the ICT devices and man-behind machine fit and functional, proper use of social media etc. Mr. Mishra also discussed about evaluation of online resources, Infonet resources allowed to the university, open source academic resources in ICT and Hindi, that is online translation, e-Mahashabdash, conversion from Kruti Dev to Unicode etc. Dr. J.K. Singh, Technical Officer and in charge Computer Section, presented and discussed on concept of Digital India program, which includes major pillars of Digital India, agencies responsible for different services, and various services launched under Digital India portal of the Government of India like Digital Locker, Jeevan Praman, Passport Seva, Common Service Centers, My Governor platform, eCourts, each-all etc. Dr. Singh also discussed the ICT infrastructure of the university and NKN and NME ICT. Mr. Pema Galpo, Professional Assistant and in charge Multimedia Section, presented, demonstrated and discussed on online services of the university, which includes the website of the university, Library OPAC, Digital Library of Multimedia Resources, digital and printed versions of the title catalogue of rare Buddhist Sanskrit manuscripts in microform collection, compiled by Multimedia section of Shantarakshita Library of the University. Mr. Galpo also discussed and demonstrated the online resources of TBRC and ACIP. Digital India Week program concluded on 17 September 2015 with a concluding speech by Dr. D.R. Singh, Registrar of the University.